Hey guys, welcome back. This is your business coach and your own entrepreneur, Ranjana Bhatia. Guys, it's been a while since I have uploaded any of my business speech or motivational speech. I was busy with something personal issues, but now it's all sorted out. Guys, first of all, thank you so much for making the Regalia bulk subscription offer a big and huge success. I have got a lot of inquiries and a lot of customers, and thanks for that. And more to come because it is still open till 31st December 2021. And from the new year, there will be more and more good offers and opportunities. Guys, today in these videos I have been asked by many customers or many women customers to know the styling tips about the jewelry, like how to style beauty tips, or you can say jewelry tips, like how to and how much to buy the jewelry pieces or the existing jewelry pieces, how to style them properly or add to your looks so that to make your look a masterpiece or enhance. Because according to me, jewelry pieces have that capability to make or to enhance or to raise your already good looks to a next higher and the top or the peak level. Yes guys, so today on the great demand of my female clients, I'm going to tell you about some important and few tips to style your jewelry or to embed your jewelry in your looks. Guys, there are a lot of ways in which you don't need to buy additional jewelry to style yourself up or to enhance your beauty. You can make a lot of creation, a lot of creativity with your existing jewelry pieces or the jewelry pieces that you have already forgotten about that you own, because you think that they are no longer in trend or they do not fit or go with your existing outfit or existing looks. Guys, this is a myth. This is not the case. Even a smallest of the jewelry piece can do wonders to your look. You can create jewelry pieces in a lot of million of creative and innovative ways. You don't need to go to a stylist or something to make your jewelry pieces a masterpiece in your looks. Yes guys, these are the tips that I'm going to tell you in these videos, in the whole of the series of the jewelry tips. Okay guys, the very and the most important tip number one that you can do with your jewelry pieces. Guys, today there is a very interesting concept or trend is going on in the jewelry sector, that is layering. Yes guys, using different pieces of different shape, different sizes, or also of different color, you can do layering with your necklaces, with your rings, or even with your earrings. That will create wonders guys. Like for example, today there is a trend of lock and key necklaces these days. Like you have three or four different layers of necklaces and there is lock in it and in one necklace, and there is key in it other language and the other piece of necklace. Yes guys, it is very much in trend and it is very innovative, interesting, and I love this trend. Guys, the lock and key necklace that I'm talking about, it is embedded in one necklace. But if you're not having that, no worry. If you're having two, three different types of chains and necklaces, you can incorporate them and wear them at the same time to make the combination, and it will look very much dainty, very much delicate, and very much graceful. Other one is of rings. Yes guys, you can wear rings in on the same finger of different style, different shapes, and different gemstones and different colors, and it will also look classy. With the earrings, You can also wear small earrings, studs like these, and ear cuffs, long ear cuffs in the upper portion of your neck, ear, and it will also look very much classy. All of these, all of these designs, these different kinds of designs and layering designs are available with me. If you want any of these designs and get it made by your jeweler, and if you want me to make these designs into jewelry pieces through my jeweler, I can do that also. Just you can have to contact me through my website, that is www.regaliabyranjana.com, and there is my contact numbers and all of my email contact numbers, social media links are there in my website. Guys, same concept goes to the arms. You can wear chain bracelets, solid bracelets, studded bracelets, simple bracelet in layerings in different layers of different shape, size and color, and it will look marvelous and magnific. Yes guys, these are the very simple tips that can be very much useful to you these days, and you don't need to buy expensive pieces of jewelry to do. Guys, another tip is, while choosing your accessories or jewelry pieces for to add to your looks, you should know when to stop or how much accessories are required in your looks. Don't overdo it. For example, if you are using a layering in the necklace, like you want to get focused on your face or your neckline, you should wear a layering or a bold piece of necklace. That is more than enough. After that, you shouldn't go for layering or stuffing your arms or ears. A certain piece of earrings, a small piece of earring is more than enough to do that when going for that look. Another one is, if you are going for a bold pair of earrings, you should go for a small piece of chain of or a very delicate piece of neck, a very delicate piece of necklace. Another a very important tip is your earrings. Guys, sometimes people forgot to wear earrings because they don't give any importance to them. They always pay attention to their necklaces, their arm pieces, their rings. But I'm telling you, earrings are a very important part of your looks. They can enhance your looks to a magnific level. Guys, earrings, go for the earrings that suits your eye color, your skin tone and your hair tone. For example, if you are having any long hair, you should go for such color or metallic finish earrings that will catch the eye of the person you're talking to, because when a person is talking to you, they mostly looks at your earrings and they are more focused on you. Like, I'm having long hair and these are of copper shade, these are metallic earrings, and these are very much complementing to my hair tone, my skin color and also my eye color. It is also, these are also enhancing the makeup look that I have done for myself today. Yes guys, these small list of the tips are very much important for your looks. Guys, creativity, I love creativity. I'm nothing without creativity. It is a part of me, it is me, and I see creativity in everything. I see creativity when we eat, I see creativity when we cook, I see creativity when we write, I see creativity when we talk. You cannot talk in the same words with the using the same pronouns, using the same nouns, using the same adjectives. You have to shift to the different vocabulary to make your talk interesting, to make your conversation interesting. Yes guys, and in designing jewelry, it is one of the most satisfactory thing that I have done in my life, and that is the best decision that I have taken in my whole life. And in styling jewelry pieces, creativity can be a master stroke. Guys, I have designed a very unique, very authentic, and very crazy collection called Veki collection. This collection is a very close to my heart. It's a very unique, weird collection for those people who gets bored of the usual trends very easily. These are for those people that love different things, unusual things, weird and crazy things, and they don't afraid of being called crazy or weird, because weirdness is the new normal, and being normal is one of the most craziest thing that I have heard, that I have thought of. So be a little weird and buy my crazy collection called Veki collection, and I'm sure you're gonna really love it. Guys, one of the most important tip that I'm going to give you about styling jewelry pieces. Guys, in the previous time, people think that going for the same metal or going for the same color of jewelry pieces is very good. Going for different kinds of metal, like attaching a copper metal to a gold chain or a brass metal to a silver chain, is not in the trend or doesn't look nice. But guys, mixing and matching is the new trend in every sector these days, especially in the fashion industry, and that too in the jewelry industry. Yes guys, if you are layering, if you are mixing and matching, go for different trends, go for different metals in the necklaces, like go for the green colored pendant attached to the silver colored chain, and I'm sure it will not. Guys, my Veki collection is all about mixing and matching. It is a rainbow of colors, and according to me, it will look good not only with the Western clothes but also with the Indian traditional clothes. It's different, it's dainty, it's nice, it's a packet of colors, and I'm sure you'll not regret buying them. So guys, my Vaki collection is a very much hit now. I have sold a lot of pieces in my Vaki collection, and if you want one, do contact me, and all of the contact details are on my website, that is www.regaliabyranjana.com, and you'll love that like you love me. Thank you so much guys. So this is all for today. About the more tips, I'm gonna get the more tips and tell you about the tips in my next week videos. Thank you.